As I described in the video, how to adjust drilling cycles in ISO controllers, the R parameter in drilling cycles is mostly in absolute mode. This means that R parameter is set as the distance of the R plane from the work offset 0. Note that another name for the R plane is the clearance plane. For this purpose, we create and use the word drill cycle absolute clearance chord. However, in some ISO-based controllers, our parameter has to be set in incremental mode rather than absolute. The incremental distance from initial drilling start point to our plane has to be entered as the R parameter. To define the R parameter as the distance between retract and our plane, we will first create a formula variable. Let's create together now. First open Custom Variable tab and press the Add Formula Variable button. I need to give my variable a name. I will name it as incremental R. I will then select the variable type as double. Lastly, you must define your mathematical expressions in this formula screen. I am defining a temporary variable here named as R. And then I will use these predefined variables of Monospost Developer to calculate the required distance. To learn more about these predefined variables, you can check the help file. As the last step, do not forget to add the return method at the end of the formula, and add your temporary variable after return method. If you skip this step, your variable will not get the value calculated in the above expression. Next, I will create a word from this formula variable. Don't forget to add R at the beginning of the format here. As the final step, replace all drill cycle absolute clearance chord words with this new word in all drilling cycles. Let's start with format cycle drill. I am deleting the drill cycle absolute clearance chord word and adding my new word in the same place. I should do the same in the other drilling cycle commands. Note that, to be sure if this word is only used in the drilling cycle commands, just activate Words tab and open the drill cycle absolute clearance chord word and look at the list on the right. Here, this list shows all the commands using this word. And as expected, only drill cycle commands use this word.